Hey everybody, John Stiles here. I just wanted to bring you a quick maintenance tip. If you're a homeowner or a landlord, it's a good idea to be able to quickly diagnose and troubleshoot a problem so you can know which handyman or vendor to call in to help you out repair the item. So I had a washing machine here that stopped working. The washing machine wouldn't spin. And this is a GE stackable model. What I discovered here is that there's two screws that they're right here at the bottom of this faceplate on the washing machine. You can unscrew those. This cover pops off. Let's see if I can do it one-handed. So this is what it looks like inside the washing machine compartment. And then right at the bottom there is a belt that turns the washer tub, and I've already taken it out. I bagged it and tagged it because the belt had basically broken. And so what I could do is easily just grab the model number for this machine, grab the bag, take it to appliance parts store, and shouldn't take very long to get that belt back on there, and just saved myself $100 or so in handyman service to get this washing machine back up and running. And also the other thing is just save myself some time because getting the appliance repairman out here could take a couple of days depending on their workload right now. I know I'm spending my time, which is valuable as well. But at least I was able to quickly troubleshoot this and find a solution. So just want to provide that tip for you, and hopefully that's helpful. Thanks. Take care.